traveling to Dubai and I have some work to finish. All my bags are with me. I have reached Dubai, almost empty. It's never like this before. ये एक साल के बाद कोविड के बाद ये सिचुएशन है दुबई का. मास्क कंपलसरी है यहाँ पर, नहीं तो फाइन है. I'm going for a ride with my friends in Dubai, my road tours group, after almost a year, yes, or more than a year, and I'm very excited. And let's see. And I'll introduce you all to everybody. And this is Latifa Pump. Every Friday we meet up and decide on the same morning like where we are going. तो आज हम लोग राइड करके जाएंगे मे बी हत्ता या फिर न्यू प्लेसेस लाइक यू नो. मेरे को पूरी भाजी यहाँ पर खाना है, बहुत मस्त मिलती है. एंड अभी सैंडी और रंजीत दुबई नहीं आए हैं, बट ठीक है, वो लोग वहाँ एंजॉय कर रहे हैं, मैं यहाँ एंजॉय कर रहा हूँ. माई रोड टूर्स फ्रेंड्स मोहन जी, Philip bhai, he's the most funniest one.
And rides a Harley.
शक्ल तो दिखा, and rides a Harley. No plastic. Only metal.
Only leather.
अच्छा, अपना शक्ल तो दिखा यार. हाँ, लालजी भाई, मोहन जी. सबसे टॉलेस्ट गाय हमारे ग्रुप में है जेमी. निकल रहा. ये रोड टूर्स का मेरा सबसे फेवरेट बडी. अरे क्या सुजय अन्ना, थिक एंड थिन, ही इज विद मी ऑल द टाइम. और मेरे को अपना बाइक भी दे रहा था, जबकि उसके बाद एक ही बाइक है. मैं बोला नहीं चाहिए.
अरे क्या दिल देखो, दिल.
अपनी लैंड क्रूजर दे दिया और मैं 4 दिन से मजे ले रहा हूँ. ये बेचारे इधर उधर दोस्तों के साथ गाड़ियों में घूम रहे. एक
बार नहीं आओ दुबई, एक ही बार आना साल में.
अगर मैं नहीं आऊँगा ना तो ये लोग परेशान हो जाएंगे.
एनी टाइम वेलकम.
आफ्टर 1 year I think I'm meeting.
Yes.
I'm really missing them. और ये लोग सब लोग मतलब मेरे जाने अजीज है.
Just waiting to come to India and ride.
Yeah, they came with us to Goa and we went for IBW. Hello, Giriana. How are you?
Jani bhai, how are you?
Fine. How are you?
Good to see you.
He is one and only Giriana.
Today Danny bhai is treating us.
Yes,
This is breakfast.
Fujairah Hilton.
This is the lineup of road tours. The lineup. Beautiful bikes over here. Sorry, I'm just saying that. This is my beauty. ये दुबई में मेरी बाइक है. मैंने अभी फ्रेंड को यहाँ पर दे दी है. This is अजीत भाई and he is the leader of road tours, जिन्होंने ये road tours स्टार्ट किया दुबई में. and I'm glad कि मेरे को अजीत भाई जैसा दोस्त भाई राइडर मिला और मैंने वो R90 इनको दिया है.
It's a piece of art.
He loved
Piece
it.
of art, and I'll be keeping it.
Yeah.
I will not sell it.
Yeah,
No matter.
and when he sells, I'll buy back. He is Mr. Annie Chaco, buddy and rider. And हम लोग कहाँ जा, बार्सिलोना जा चुके हैं,
हाँ,
गोवा जा चुके हैं. So we've ridden together. Sri Lanka we've been. And और भी and Dubai तो हम लोग of course ride ही करते हैं.
Complete Indian ride.
And he's a general manager in a big company. ये छोटा मोटा आदमी नहीं है, बहुत बड़ा आदमी.
अरे नहीं, बड़े आदमी के साथ हैं अपन.
Thick and thin, he's with me. जैसे सुजय अन्ना वैसा एनी भाई, like they take care of everything whatever. मुझे दुबई में कुछ भी काम हो या क्या हो, they are there. I count them as my brothers. Of course road tours मेरा सब भाई है, लेकिन अभी हर एक भाई में एक स्पेशल भाई तो होता ही होता है. तो ये मेरा स्पेशल भाई है.
If you need to stop for something, you pull off on the right and by default, the other guys will stop. If you want to stop for fuel, then you point out, so today Sujay bhai is a marshal, so he would probably be going up and down. So you can show him the gas tank and stop on the side, so he'll know that you want to stop for fuel, or he'll let me know that we need to stop at the next gas station.
Dinesh.
It is very important to keep the right distance between the bikes. If you're too close, the person in front of you should be able to comfortably see you in the mirror.
Briefing is going on.
If you're too close, it is possible that the guy would brake, or if he'll come to the side, he might hit you and we get the entire drive down. So please make sure you maintain the right distance. Don't let the other cars come in unless there is an exit which is close by. We'll maintain speeds of 120, 130. We won't go higher than that. If there is any part where you feel that you feel the need of coming out of the tribe and riding ahead, once you do that, don't join back where you left. You join at the end in front of the sweep. So sweep, Jamie is sweeping today. So in case you leave out near the Hatta Road or something and you go ahead, please make sure that you join back in front of the sweep and don't join in the middle. If the person in front of you is left, you accordingly change your positions to make sure that you're following the staggered formation. Any other questions? When I say this, it is single file. So if you are in any of the roads where we have only one lane going and coming, we'll ride in one single file on the right side of the road so that if there are four wheels passing by, they can just pass without us blocking the way. This is again getting back to the staggered formation. This is stop. Okay. If I show the sign, this is hazard. So in which direction I'm pointing, that's the hazard direction. This is
Ready to go.
Ready to go. Yeah. So I think we're ready to ride at camera sign. So yeah. Camera is your responsibility. This is a disclaimer that I am not responsible for your fines.
So this was a briefing done by Chirag, and we call him GPS of our group. He is our Amchi Mumbai boy from Andheri. He leads all the time, and we actually prefer his lead.
Thank you, Danny bro, for the intro. Cheers, buddy.
Cheers,
Welcome to Dubai again.
Thank you.
Stand in the open, knowing it will all make sense. One day, I'm looking for answers, slipping through the ocean sand. Wish you can take me back. You're standing there with arms wide open. Where it all began. Where it all push me further, so couldn't close inside. The whole ends. No, 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 no. 10 feet over, say I'm always up too high. Wish you could take me back. You're standing there with arms wide open. Where it all
Ranji.
डैनी भाई इस ब्लॉग के लिए डीआरएस का आर मैं बनता हूँ.
I know, Ranji, you know.
मुंबई में रंजित है, दुबई में रंजी है.
है और दोनों केरला से हैं.
replacement.
Yeah, perfect replacement. Ranji Matthews, like he's a professor in Sharjah University. So and very techie. He knows everything mostly about bikes and IT and all that. He rides S1000 XR, the same what I bought. Beautiful machine, and we've reached Hatta. DRS. Dubai edition of DRS. Yeah, DRNS.
अरे लेकिन मेरा जूता सही है.
हाँ, इसका जूता सही है.
क्या है?
कोई भी कुछ लगाने का जरूरत नहीं है. अजीत भाई हम लोग इंडिया ट्रिप.
नो इंडिया ट्रिप.
या हम लोग दांडेली एंड चिकमंगलुरु. हम लोग चिकमंगलुरु में सोया था रात को एक होटल में. अंधेरा था पूरा और मैं सोया था रूम में, बाजू में मैंने ओडोमॉस रखा था। ये
See, I didn't have paste. I forgot. you know.
इसके पास इनके पास पेस्ट नहीं था।
It was-
वो आया अंदर, अंधेरे में उन्होंने ये उठाया, ओडोमॉस उठाया, पेस्ट करने लग गया। पूरा जाग बाहर निकला। ओडोमॉस से पेस्ट किया पहली बार लीडर जी। दैट वाज द एपिक वन। लगाने के बाद बोलता है अरे इसमें जाग बहुत निकलता है, कौन सा पेस्ट है? वो बोला डैनी भाई वो कुछ ना ऑर्गेनिक पेस्ट लेके आया।
Yeah, I thought it was organic because he is always vegetarian. No meat, no fish, no alcohol. So I thought paste also will be, something special. Yeah.
and you know,
Then later on, I asked Danny, you are using some organic paste or something. That time he told it's Odomos.
it's Odomos. We've reached Hatta Puri Bhaji place. We eat every time over here. Aloo Bhaji is superb. And यहाँ पर अभी हम लोग खा के फिर यहाँ से निकलेंगे। Today my ride was this BMW bagger from this is Rajan Anna's bike. Beauty. Puri Bhaji over here. So this is Puri This is Malayali restaurant. So one of the best Puri Bhaji. Yes. I hope you are enjoying.
Yeah.
Okay.
Amazing.
Cheers.
Thanks for the party, Danny Bhai.
Oh, you're most welcome.
You guys are watching some of the best footage that you can ever see. So enjoy the footage and keep liking and keep subscribing more. So guys, make sure you subscribe and ride with DRS.
Thank you, Chirag bhai.
This is Dubai chapter.
Ride with DRS Dubai chapter.
Jai Maharashtra.
जय महाराष्ट्र। बराबर है। 30 लोग थे, हमने सब लोगों ने ब्रेकफास्ट खाया और ब्रेकफास्ट का बिल 300 दिरहम, मतलब 10 दिरहम पर पर्सन 200। 10 दिरहम में इतना अच्छा ब्रेकफास्ट है, पूरी भाजी, चाय, इसको ऑमलेट मिला, ऑमलेट।
लोग कम है क्या?
सस्ता है दुबई, कौन बोलता है महंगा है? कम टू दुबई यार, दुबई इज ब्यूटीफुल। ये सिल्वर मेंबर ऑफ रोड टू लालजी भाई। अरे रिवर्स गियर नहीं है तुम्हारा बाइक में, रिवर्स गियर नहीं है, क्या फायदा यार? पैसा पूरा दिया तो भी रिवर्स गियर नहीं है। मोटो ब्लॉग कैमरा टुडे, Sujay Anna's son has taken this task and he's holding the camera and shooting us. So thanks Pratyush, thanks. This is Rajan Anna, जिनकी मैं बाइक चला रहा था, K1600 bagger BMW. Thank you very much Anna for giving the bike and trusting in me.
Thank you very much, Danny. I got the bike because of you. I was sitting in my office, you call me, come to BMW, you will see the best of the bikes.
Yes.
I saw the bike, I fell in love with that. I gave my credit card, swiped it, took the bike and went out.
And who took the delivery?
You took the delivery of that bike. You took the delivery of that. All my bikes.
All
Delivery.
GS also.
And GS
And Tiger also
Yes,
in-
also. And Tiger in India, in Bombay.
Yeah.
You took the delivery of the bike. All my bikes.
Thanks
Delivery
for
is
trusting
taken
me.
by you. And the extra fittings, clear water is done by you. And anyway, only because of you, I changed my riding style. Thank you very much. Thank
You
you very
ride
much.
good.
Thank you very much, buddy.
You're welcome. And he had come with me to Leh Ladakh. He had a good control on the bike and he rode very nicely. So I respect. He's 60 years young.
60, going to be 63 in January.
Yeah, so 63, at the age of 63, he's an inspiration and you see him riding, he goes off-roading on BMW GS. Amazing rider. God bless you always, Anna.
Thank you so
And
much.
I'm
Danny.
always with
Thank
you.
you so much, Danny. I don't feel my age with you all.
Thanks
And,
for
yeah,
giving
and
that.
I'm not getting wiser also, but I'm getting more naughtier, younger. Thank you.